In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Atlassian Intelligence within Jira. Atlassian Intelligence is a powerful AI tool integrated into Jira and other Atlassian products, designed to assist you in enhancing the way you manage your projects. You can take advantage of its capabilities on most text fields within Jira, making it an invaluable resource for streamlining your workflow and improving productivity. To get started with Atlassian Intelligence, you'll first want to open Jira, where you'll find various work items that you're currently managing. Locate and click on one of these work items. Once opened, you'll see different sections for adding and editing details, like descriptions, comments, and more. You're going to want to engage with the description area of your chosen work item. This is where the magic happens. With the description box open, look closely because there's a small icon that looks like a crosshair. This icon is your gateway to the Atlassian Intelligence Writing Assistant. When you click on this icon, you're activating the AI tool, allowing it to assist you with generating content, refining text, and more. This is incredibly useful when you're trying to draft detailed descriptions or comments that need precision and clarity. Now, there's another way to activate the Atlassian Intelligence, and it's all about speed. Rather than searching for and clicking on the icon, you can simply type AI directly into a text field. This is a quick shortcut that also brings forth the AI's capabilities. After you type AI, it will prompt you to input whatever text or command you need assistance with. This feature comes in handy when you want to seamlessly transition into using the AI without interrupting your workflow. Leveraging Atlassian Intelligence like this can drastically improve your efficiency. It helps in drafting more concise and effective communications, ensuring that your team remains on the same page. Whether you need to summarize a lengthy work item, generate ideas quickly, or polish your text, this tool is designed to support these needs seamlessly. Remember, using technology like Atlassian Intelligence isn't just about performing tasks faster, it's about enhancing the quality of your work. The AI offers suggestions and improvements you might not have considered, helping foster a collaborative atmosphere where your team can thrive. In summary, using Atlassian Intelligence within Jira is straightforward and highly beneficial. By either clicking on the Writing Assistant icon or typing Pyash AI, you're opening the door to a more efficient and informed way of managing your projects. Embrace this tool, and you'll likely find that not only are your processes more streamlined, but your overall project management strategy is enhanced as well.